Hey everyone, welcome back to Elite Gear Hub. Today we're checking out the top 5 best watches that are redefining what a smartwatch can do. In a world flooded with options, finding one that truly fits your lifestyle, whether you're a fitness fanatic, a busy professional, or just want seamless connectivity, can be a real challenge. I've spent weeks testing and comparing models for battery life, health tracking, and overall value. And trust me, the features on these picks, from always-on displays to advanced sleep monitoring, are seriously impressive. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. OLEVS Men Big Watch. The OLEVS Men Big Watch is perfect for the modern man who desires a bold, confident statement on his wrist. Featuring an oversized case and a striking dial, this watch delivers exceptional presence and legibility at a glance. Made from durable stainless steel and hardened mineral crystal, it is built to withstand daily wear while maintaining its sophisticated aesthetic. Its precise quartz movement ensures reliable timekeeping you can count on for any occasion. The comfortable bracelet secures with a sturdy clasp, providing a seamless fit that feels substantial yet never cumbersome. Whether navigating a busy workday or enjoying a weekend adventure, the OLEVS Men Big Watch combines robust construction, assertive style, and dependable performance, making it an essential accessory for those who appreciate distinction and durability. OLEVS Big Face Watch. The OLEVS Big Face Watch is perfect for those who desire bold style and unwavering clarity at a glance. Featuring an expansive, ultra-clear mineral crystal dial window, this watch offers exceptional readability and a commanding presence on the wrist. Made from durable stainless steel and equipped with a precise quartz movement, it ensures reliable timekeeping and long-lasting wear. Its minimalist yet striking design transitions effortlessly from casual outings to professional settings, providing versatile sophistication. The comfortable bracelet secures with a dependable clasp, making it both a statement piece and a daily essential. Whether you value legibility, robust construction, or modern aesthetics, the OLEVS Big Face Watch delivers a superior blend of form and function for the discerning individual. OLEVS Men Date Watch. The OLEVS Men Date Watch is perfect for the modern gentleman seeking a timepiece that seamlessly blends classic design with everyday reliability. Featuring a prominent date window, this watch offers exceptional functionality for keeping track of your busy schedule with just a glance. Made from durable stainless steel and scratch-resistant mineral crystal, it is built to withstand daily wear while maintaining its sophisticated appearance. Its precise quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping, and the genuine leather strap provides lasting comfort throughout the day. Whether you are heading to the office or a weekend event, its versatile and sleek design complements any attire. Combining essential features with timeless style, the OLEVS Men Date Watch is an indispensable accessory for any discerning man's collection. LENQIN Watch. The LENQIN Watch is perfect for the modern individual who seeks a seamless blend of timeless style and everyday functionality. Featuring a sleek stainless steel case and a genuine leather strap, this watch offers a sophisticated look suitable for both professional and casual settings. Its precise quartz movement ensures reliable and accurate timekeeping, while the mineral crystal lens provides superior scratch resistance for lasting clarity. Equipped with luminous hands and markers, it guarantees easy readability in any lighting condition. The watch is also water-resistant, offering practical durability for daily wear. With its comfortable fit and versatile design, the LENQIN Watch is an essential accessory that elevates any outfit with understated elegance and dependable performance. Casio Watch. Casio Watch is perfect for anyone seeking reliable, stylish timekeeping that effortlessly transitions from daily routines to active adventures. Featuring durable resin cases and mineral glass, these watches are built to withstand the demands of an energetic lifestyle while maintaining a sleek, modern profile. Equipped with essential functions like water resistance, daily alarms, and stopwatches, they provide practical utility for managing your time, whether you're at work, at the gym, or exploring outdoors. Its lightweight and comfortable design ensures all-day wearability without compromise. With their iconic digital displays and timeless Casio craftsmanship, Watches offer exceptional value and versatile functionality, making them an essential and trustworthy accessory for every wardrobe.